Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is 9/10/2014. Today was a rugged day. We had a drawdown during the middle of the trading session, but we broke back hard to give us our 11th positive equity day in a row. But this was by no means an easy day. And it's the kind of day where the market reminds you how rugged it can be sometimes. First trade here was a move to the upside, retracement. Now the market was just a little bit oversold, and we were maybe 4 or 5 ticks off the modified 15. This is a marginal trade, and it lost, and it cost us 10 ticks. Then we had a break, retracement, a little risky because you want to be tighter to the 50 than I was here. But we had background bias, we had order flow and momentum with us. It came back against us and then eventually chopped down to give us a first target, 7 ticks. Then our third Russell trade was really a beautiful trade. The move down, the retracement, and just run right over. So we had 2 full losses on the Russell. That's $400 a loss. That's an $800 negative right there. But we hung in. I believe in the system, and obviously we're not going to have 100% of our trades win, but I know the positive predictive value of our entries are very high, and we just have to stay with it. Got our move down, got our retracement, no heat, 13 ticks. Now we got it again. We had a move down, we had a retracement. Now this trade did not come with order flow, order flow. It came with momentum. So I was a little bit concerned about the trade, and it went 3 or 4 ticks in our favor. I moved it to break even, and then it took us out of the trade, and then I headed down for a first target. So I cost us a first target by being ultra cautious. But I don't have a crystal ball trading the right edge. It seemed that it was a little bit more aggressive a trade after a 13-tick winner, and it did go either 3 or 4 in our direction, and then came back. So I didn't want to take a loss after we had come that close to a first target. Then we just patience. We had the move, the retracement, down for 14. The move, the retracement, down for 7. So you see we broke back big time. We had a 13-tick winner, a 14-tick winner, a 7-tick winner, and then we did it again. We had the break, we had the retracement. This was a rugged trade. This came back 8 against us, but pushed down for 12. So our last 1, 2, 3, 4 trades on the Russell were winners, and 3 of those 4 trades were second target winners. So we made up a lot of ground as we traded through the day. On crude oil, we opened with the 7-tick winner, with a 6-tick winner. Again, the move down, the retracement. Now this pivot was a little bit tight to the trade, but I felt that we would at least push a wick through. This was our first trade for +6. Then we had, and I think this is the trade that bothered me the most, because, whoops, we had a nice move down, we had a retracement, I closed the trade at -6, and this trade was a big winner. Our entry was here. Well, it was a 2-target winner, which is really a shame. So we had a $240 loss instead of a $300 win. That's a $540 difference in net equity for the day. So we had 2 losers, but this really was a winning trade that I closed too early. Now, this short came right at the petroleum report, 10:30. That's why I didn't take it. And crude just wouldn't retrace. It's retracing just now, skimming along a falling 50. But crude gave us nothing today. Nothing on the 13 range either. But we had a lot of people in the room asking if we're going to quit, if we're going to stop, when we had that little bit of a drawdown. But I have tremendous faith in the system, and we pulled back. We pulled a winning day out of it. Now we had to do it with 9 trades. We only had 5 trades so far this week, all winners. So we had to take 9 trades. That's what happens when you have a rugged day. We had 6 winners, really 2.5 losers, and one of those losers was really a winning trade. But it should have been 7 and 2. And the net equity would change by over $500. But it is what it is, and this is what we got. Now on the Russell, we were +7, +13, +14, +7, +12, and we had the 2 losers, -10, -10. On crude, we were -6, +6, and then that -6 was really a winner. Our net ticks were +33. Our net equity was 100. Now the Auto Trader actually did take a winner. And I'll show it to you right here. Let me find it. It's right here. Went long right here for 2 targets. So the Auto Trader net equity actually, at the time I closed the room, was break even, but Auto Trader net equity has 1 trade, 1 second target win. So the Auto Trader is +$300. I took a beautiful trade. So that's it for today. Today was not an easy day, but I think it taught the people, all the traders in the room, that when you're down and you have a system that you have confidence in, and when the predictive value of our entries are high, they don't all work, but when they work with the percentage that ours do, if you get a drawdown and if you get you have a rugged day, just keep trading, and the market's going to give you the trades. If it doesn't, we're just not going to take the trades. So come on in and sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. We have a lot of people in the room. I think we have about 35 people on trial right now. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. If you go there, you can go to our sign up link. You can also see our daily net equity in the trading room, our daily net equity on the Auto Trader, and we're doing great in the trading room. And the Auto Trader is starting to move. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com. Call us at 1-855-765-6681. We really hope to see you in the room and have you demo our software. So listen, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing everyone in the room tomorrow. Take care.